Hi there, this is Jackie from Inky Antics, and today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble our never-ending square project using the Crafty Cuts die, which is brand new to our collection. What you want to do is start by taking a whole sheet of copy paper, regular printer paper, and cutting it in half. So this is a 5.5 by 8.5 inch piece. I'm going to fold this in half. And then when I run it through my die cutting machine, there's a decorated side and an undecorated side to the die. So I want to take the fold and place it along the decorated side. And then I'll go ahead and run that through my die cutting machine, either using a magnetic base plate or some removable tape to hold it in place as I run it through. When it comes out of the machine, this is what it looks like. And there will also be extra little pieces, decorative elements that you can use, flowers as well as 2 scallop borders to assemble and put onto your projects. Go ahead and once you pull this out, you will see that there are little score lines. They're hard to see in the video, but they're small little score lines. What I'm going to do is pre-fold this guy twice. The first time I pre-fold, I am not worried at all about what direction I'm folding the score marks in. All I'm doing is deepening the creases of those score lines. Okay, so my first pre-fold is done. Now I'm going to open this guy up. Along the center there are 2 mountain folds. In other words, the folds raise upward. So those are 2 mountain folds. Now I'm going to go around the other folds and do my second pre-fold. It's always mountain, valley, mountain, valley, mountain, valley, mountain, and so forth, all the way around. So as I mentioned, the mountain is in the middle. Then we'll do a valley. So I'm going to turn that second fold into a valley. This one stays as a mountain. This guy is going to turn into a valley, mountain, valley. This stays as a mountain, this stays as a valley. We'll do a mountain on this guy, that one's a valley. We'll do a mountain on this one, and there's my piece. To assemble it, I'm going to use double-sided tape, or the 1-inch score tape works great. And I'm going to put the adhesive on the 2 opposite squares. And you'll notice that they're only in the squares, there's no adhesive overlapping into any other parts. So on the 2 opposite squares. Then I will take those folded squares with the tape on them and tape them down to create a rectangle or a bar shape. Now I'll add more double-sided tape. This time I'm putting it on the 2 remaining squares that did not get taped the first time. So in other words, these 2 were taped the first time. Now I'm putting the adhesive on the opposite 2. I'll go ahead and close this guy up into a square. And there you have it. This is the base for the Never-Ending Square project. Then what I will do is take 4 panels that are 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches and stamp those. Once I've stamped those, I can cut those into quadrants and glue them onto my base. So I glue them, and then I would turn the piece, cut the next 2.5 by 2.5 inch square into quadrants, glue it on, and so forth, until I have my completed, decorated, never-ending square. And there you have it, the never-ending square from Inky Antics. Thanks so much for watching.